If you don't survive, my baby will die too. You said the most important thing was saving my little girl. Watch over her.
We are not horses. We are humans.